Second round of the Rainy Day Rose Afghan block with chain 1, insert hook between first and second double crochet from the back of the petal to front, then back again like that, and yarn over and draw up a loop to the back of the petal and make a single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and insert the hook on the next petal between the first and the second double crochet and pull up a loop and make a single crochet over the previous ring. So repeat the same, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again insert hook at the back of the flower between the first and second double crochet and yarn over and pull up a loop over the previous ring, make a single crochet. So repeat until there are 5 chain loop. So this is the third loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again insert hook from the back to the front between the first and second double crochet, and make a single crochet, and the last chain loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will attach it to the beginning single crochet right there. And just make a slip stitch, and that's the end of the second row, and that's how it looks at the back. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 chain 5 loops. Thank you for watching. In the next video we'll be making the petals on the third round. Thank you for watching.